Tuckerman Ravine is one of the most iconic backcountry ski destinations in the Northeast. This deep glacial cirque on the eastern side of New Hampshire's Mount Washington collects snow all winter and holds it late into the spring or even the early summer. The lure of this snow draws streams of backcountry skiers who hike up from Pinkham Notch into the ravine's bowl. 1913 is believed to be the first year skiers reached the ravine. AMC Huts manager Joe Dodge was another early visitor. Not many followed in those tracks though, at least not initially. But by the 1930s, skiing was booming in popularity. AMC, the U.S. Forest Service, and the Civilian Conservation Corps built the trails that continue to carry most of the ski traffic to and from the ravine, the Tuckerman Ravine Trail and the John Sherburne Ski Trail. Vintage film from AMC's Library and Archives shows skiers in Tuckerman Ravine in the late 1930s. By then it had become the place to be for skiers seeking spring powder.